What is the database behind ChatGPT? One of the primary database technologies used by ChatGPT is likely NoSQL databases. NoSQL databases are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data, which is precisely the type of data that ChatGPT is working with. NoSQL databases are also highly scalable, making them a good choice for handling the massive amounts of data that ChatGPT needs to operate effectively. Nuclea is one example of NoSQL database that is designed to handle unstructured data. If it was helpful, like the video, check out my other videos on my channel. I have posted many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your job. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.